Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. There is slight relaxation in Karnataka, so planning to go out. Let's see, where am I planning? I have yet not decided. So however the road takes me, I'm planning to go that way. And I really don't know which restaurants are open and which restaurants are closed and whether the dining is there or not. I really don't know. So let's go and see. So finally we decided to go to Fraser Town. We are on the way. It's really very exciting after a month, after almost 45 days I think so, we guys are going out. So really feeling happy. The lockdown got open and already I'm able to see traffic on the streets. Really pathetic. And yes, of course, staying at house, people would have gone mad. So all the vehicles are on the street. So staying in Bangalore outskirts, I'm seeing so much of traffic. I don't know about Bangalore city, how much traffic or crowd would have formed. People are already walking on the streets. Some people are wearing mask, some people are not wearing mask. Guys, look at this traffic. My god. Yesterday they made a slight relaxation and today already the traffic has been started so badly. Finally reached Fraser Town. I'm searching for Halim. So finally I found it, one place, that is Al Zahra Mandi, Arabic restaurant.
जी ये हैदराबाद का ओरिजिनल होटल है। 7 ब्रांचेस है, अल सऊद के नाम से और अल ज़हरा के नाम से है।
Okay.
हाँ।
So is this the only one branch you have it in
Bangalore?
Bangalore?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Give me one Halim. So here I have found Halim, mutton Halim,
मटन बोनलेस।
mutton boneless Halim. So there is no dine-in anywhere in Bangalore. So here we have got all the stuff. There is no dine-in as I told,
मंदी।
and special mandi is also there. So there is no dine-in. We will go to house and we'll taste and we'll review the food. So due to lockdown, they don't have mandi right now. So once the lockdown is completely relaxed, then definitely I would like to come and try mandi over here. So I reached house finally. I'm starting with Halim, mutton Halim. They have put some fried onions on mutton Halim. You people can see the fat is just flowing above the mutton Halim. So let me mix this Halim. When you are mixing Halim, you will be having some creamy feel. Wow. Let me taste this. They have put some peppercorn. Let me taste this with peppercorn. The crispiness of fried onion is superb. The pepper spiciness is really good. That mutton, they have completely smashed it. It's really tasting good. The mutton is completely separated like a keema. Wow. They have cooked this for a very long time, I feel, because mutton won't cook usually so soon. Tasting really good. Let me taste this with lemon. The pepper spiciness is really good and even peppercorns are more. Just tasting fantastic. If you eat this whole bowl, you will definitely go for a sleep itself. This is kaddu ki kheer and this is made up of pumpkin. Let me taste this. This is a sweet. Pista has been grinded in this The pista flavor has been added, and semia has been there, and the thickness of milk is really good. They have added some cream. The sweetness is not so much. It's really good. This is chicken sheikh kebab. So I have total 3 sweets. In between three sweets, I would like to taste some spiciness so that taste gets attracted to mouth properly. So this is single piece of chicken, which is made up of pepper and corn flour, bit fried, not completely fried, and I can see some garlic. I can feel the tanginess. I can feel some spiciness. Garam masala taste is there. Garlic flavor is being completely added. Once the chicken enters the mouth, the whole mouth is filled with garlic smell and taste. And pepper has been added. Really tasting good. Spiciness is in medium level. Oil is bit more, but tasting really good. This is mixed sheikh kebab. In this, yellow paprika, red paprika has been added. So there are 3 types of kebab. Mint, in between I can see some spicy kebab, and at last it is kshatriya. So let me taste this with paprika. The capsicum has been cooked completely good, and it has been roasted slightly. The kebab is fantastically mixed and marinated for a long period of time. I can feel the mint flavor once it enters the mouth. So next, let me taste kshatriya. Kshatriya is really spicy, tasting really good. The softness of the chicken, which has been marinated with curd, I think, it's fantastically cooked. So at last, this is fried chicken. Chili powder, normal. It's normal. Chili powder and garam masala taste is there slightly, but rest too really good. This I didn't like so much. This is kurbani sweet. This looks like an alwa, but this is made up of apricot. Let me taste this. The apricot flavor is more, and slightly they have used gulkan, I think. I can feel the gulkan smell. Tasting really good, and I think sugar has not been added in this. Tasting really fantastic. See the apricot size. Oh my god. The apricot has been soaked for a very long period of time. Tasting fantastic. This is Kashmiri Firni. Oh my god. Look at this. The cashews has been added. The chillness gives a very good kick in this summer season. They have smashed the rice. It's tasting really good. and they have used bit of suji in this rava, which we call it as, and dry fruits is completely filling the mouth. The dry fruits is giving a superb cool taste once a spoon enters the mouth. Sweetness, fantastic. Finally, I finished my food. The food was really good, and the next part was going out. Mind is completely relaxed and happy. Somewhat that feel once you escape somewhere from the cage, you'll be so damn happy. So that feeling I have today. I might upload this video tomorrow morning or afternoon. Anyhow, guys, it's time to end my vlog. It's already like 11:30 night. Take care. Good night.